Hello student. So today we are going to discuss our new chapter which is called the business environment. So student, before going to start the chapter, do you know the meaning of environment? In our school we have already learned the meaning of environment. So environment means what? It means the air, water, food and the sunlight, means all our surroundings where the human beings lives. Okay, this is called the environment. And now what is business environment? Business environment means what? Business means what? In our class 11 we already got the term business, which means that any commercial activities which is undertaken to earn the profit is called the business. So now what is business environment? The surrounding of a business, that means the environment in which business exists, these are called the business environment. So business environment basically means some factors like government regulations, economic conditions, then competitions, changing customer preferences, technological changes, culture, business ethics of the society. All these are included in business environment. Means all these factors may directly or indirectly affect the existence of a business. So see student, in your book you may got lots of definitions given by the various authors, management thinkers, but here I am writing here in these slides one simple definitions you can write down in your book, in your copies or two. Like the term business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise but that may affect its performance. क्लियर? तो स्टूडेंट क्या होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल तुम किसी भी जगह पे अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो. डू यू थिंक यू कैन स्टार्ट एज पर योर विश? नो, यू हैव टू look after the choices of the customer, then customers preferences, then loss of land. Suppose if you are starting your business in India, you have to follow the rules regulations maintained in the particular our country, and suppose if you want to start your business in Dubai, तो उनका अलग loss of land होगा. तो these are what? These are called the factors of business environment or components of business environment. Clear? I hope you have understood the meaning of business environment. Okay. So now we will discuss one by one the features of business environment. मीन्स क्या क्या फीचर्स हो सकते हैं या फिर क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हो सकते हैं बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट का. सो सी, point number 1 is totality of external forces. So what does it mean? Business environment means the factors which are totally outside the control of business organization. Means it's a total of all the external factors which are called the business environment. Point number 2 is specific and general forces. So see students, there are lots of factors which may affect the business. Some may affect directly and some may affect indirectly. So directly जो affect करता है like machineries, your workers, then your creditors. Okay, these are the factors which affect your business directly, and that is why these are called the specific factors. Okay, and now general forces are what? General forces are those factors which may affect your business indirectly. For example, जैसे कि मान लो न्यू जीएसटी आ गया, तो उससे क्या हुआ, तो सभी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इफेक्ट हो रहा है, विच इज़ नॉट डायरेक्टली. मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि पर्टिकुलर कोई एक ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे इफेक्ट हो रहा है, ओवरऑल ऑल द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे वो इफेक्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है. सो स्पेसिफिक जनरल फोर्सेस मीन्स आर द फोर्सेस लाइक योर इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री. Then at present, because of this pandemic, the economic conditions of our country is going downward, is not it? So उससे क्या हो रहा है, ये बिजनेस को इफेक्ट कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि पर्टिकुलर एक ही बिजनेस को इफेक्ट कर रहा है, ऑल द बिजनेस को टू सम एक्सटेंट डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली इफेक्ट कर रहा है. ठीक है. सो इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट, देन जियोग्राफिकल एनवायरनमेंट, देन डेमोग्राफिक एनवायरनमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी इज देयर, देन लीगल एनवायरनमेंट इज देयर. दीज आर द फोर्सेस which are called the general forces which affect your business indirectly. Point number 3 is interrelatedness. So interrelatedness का meaning क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट का जो फैक्टर्स है, दीज आर रिलेटेड विथ वन अनदर. ओके, मीन्स एक के साथ एक जुड़ा हुआ रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट में सपोज एक फैक्टर्स है लाइक कस्टमर इज़ वन ऑफ द फैक्टर्स ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. एंड नाउ कस्टमर्स ने क्या किया, दे आर ट्राइंग टू फोकसिंग मोर ऑन देयर हेल्थ. ओके सो उससे क्या होगा, व्हेन दे आर ट्राइंग टू फोकसिंग मोर ऑन देयर हेल्थ, दे ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द फूड which is very nutritious, which may give the more life expectancy. ठीक है, तो ऐसे केसेस में क्या होगा, बिजनेसमैन के लिए एक न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आ गए. ओके, इन केस ऑफ हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर. ओके, तो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में भी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. सो कैन यू इमेजिन द फैक्टर्स हियर, टू फैक्टर्स, वन इज competitions, another one is healthcare. So both are interrelated and both is affecting the business environment. Clear? This is called the interrelatedness, means एक के साथ एक जुड़ा हुआ रहता है. Clear? Next point is dynamic in nature. Now what is dynamic? Student, dynamic का meaning क्या होता है? Which is changing very fast. So business environment is very dynamic one. You cannot predict what will happen in future. For example, I would like to give you here the example of technological development. So now as you see, AI based technology is developed to such extent that man-made work in any factory has reduced. अब क्या हो रहा है, AI मीन्स रोबोट, ये सब रोबोटिक्स ये सब यूज़ करके मीन्स प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस किए जा रहे हैं. तो ये क्या हुआ, दिस इज़ द चेंजेस टेक्नोलॉजिकल एनवायरनमेंट की वजह से ये बिजनेस में चेंजेस आ गए. देन दिस इज़ कॉल्ड this is the dynamic nature of business. Clear? Next point is uncertainty. So uncertainty का meaning क्या है student? You cannot, as you know, you cannot predict the business environment. In the same way, business environment is very uncertain. Means what is trending in today's world, in today's era, it is not necessary it will be same in next generation too. For example, जब तुम छोटे थे, तुम्हारे घर के पास जो ग्रोसरी स्टोर था, तुम्हें लगता है कि वो अभी भी सेम ही है, सेम पोजीशन पे है. नहीं, या तो वो बहुत डेवलप कर चुका है अपने आप को, या फिर वो नहीं है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, बट सेम पोजीशन पे तो नहीं है. दिस इज़ व्हाट अनसर्टिनिटी मीन्स. अनसर्टिन, यू कैनॉट प्रिडिक्ट द फ्यूचर कि ऐसा ही होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज complexity. Yes, business environment is very complex one. That means here not only one factors which is available, there are lots of factors which may affect your business. Okay, so एक factors को तुम, if you try to focusing on one more factors, there may be chance कि some other factors may come up with some problems or some opportunities. So it is not possible. So इतना is possible, but it is not possible to look after all the factors. Clear? So this is called the complexity features of business environment. Now another features is there which is called the relativity. Actually I think it is not written here. So relativity का meaning क्या होता है student? The business environment is differ from country to country, region to region, is not it? This is called the relativeness. For example, the culture of business environment in US will not be the same the culture of business environment in India. In the same way, if you can look closely in India too, in this particular country, the culture of business environment in prevailing in Maharashtra, do you think it will be same in Assam too? No, Assam में same नहीं होगा, अलग होगा. So this is called the relativeness. Clear? So I think all of you have understood the features of business environment. Next, the components of business environment. Although here I am giving some few short explanation of components, but in our next video we will discuss it one by one in details. What are the components of business environment? But till now you should know just the glimpse of these components. So point number one is internal environment. So internal environment means what? This includes the factors which affect the business from within. For example, machinery, employee, company. ओके, कंपनी पॉलिसीज मीन्स जो बिजनेस के बाउंड्री में होता है. क्लियर? मीन्स बिजनेस कैन रीच इट आउट. दीज आर कॉल्ड द इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट मीन्स क्या होता है? दिस इन फैक्टर्स विच इफेक्ट द बिजनेस फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. इट कैन नॉट बी कंट्रोल एज दे आर एक्सटर्नल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जियोग्राफिकल बाउंड्री. ठीक है, दिस इज एक्सटर्नल, ये बिजनेस के हाथ में नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन ऑफ द कंट्री, दिस इज एक्सटर्नल. टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस, दीज आर द एक्सटर्नल, जो कि कंट्री के हाथ से अलग है. ठीक है, कंट्री के हाथ में मुझे नहीं होता, सॉरी, कंपनी के या फिर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के हाथ में नहीं होता. इट इज़ बियॉन्ड द रीच. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, देखो फिर से एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट को दो टाइप पे डिवाइड किया गया, माइक्रो एनवायरनमेंट एंड मैक्रो एनवायरनमेंट. सो माइक्रो एनवायरनमेंट क्या होता है? इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द फैक्टर्स in the company's immediate environment that affects the company's performance. It includes the elements like supplies, public, competitions, etc. मीन्स जो माइक्रो मीन्स जो छोटा होता है. देन मैक्रो क्या होता है? Obviously, it will be in large term. It consists of the factors which are uncontrollable and need proper attention. It includes the elements like political, economic, social, technological, etc. इसको short form में PEST भी बोलते हैं. You should know these things. Okay. So this is all about the features of business environment. I hope you have understood, and we will in our next class we will start the components of business environment in detail. Okay, so till then